अस्सलाम वालेकुम अज़ीज़ सर, अगर आपके पास इंग्लिश ऐसे आ जाए निशान हैदर या निशान हैदर एंड इट्स सिग्निफिकेंस, तो आपने सिर्फ अगर इंग्लिश ऐसे लिखना है तो आपको आसान सेंटेंसेस में इंग्लिश ऐसे लिखवा रहा हूँ। निशान हैदर के टॉपिक के कोई भी ऐसे आ जाए तो ये आपने ऐसे लिखना है। लेट्स स्टार्ट। निशान हैदर इज द हाईएस्ट मिलिट्री अवार्ड ऑफ पाकिस्तान. निशान हैदर means mark of lion. The word Haider is referred to Hazrat Ali Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Hazrat Ali was called Haider. Hazrat Ali was called Lion of Allah. Hazrat Ali is the most bravest man in Muslims history. Nishan Haider is made with metal of captured gun from enemy. It consists of 88% copper, 10% gold and 2% zinc. It is only awarded to soldiers of Pakistan Armed Forces. Those soldiers who show great courage and bravery during duty and war and even sacrifice their life. Nishan-e-Haider is so significant that every soldier wishes to get it. Only 11 soldiers have got it. 10 from Pakistan Army and 1 from Pakistan Air Force has got it. First recipient of Nishan-e-Haider was Captain Raja Muhammad Sarwar, and second was Naik Saif Ali Jinjua. Both of them embraced martyrdom during Indo-Pak War in 1948. Third recipient of Nishan-e-Haider was Major Tufail Muhammad, who embraced martyrdom during recapturing of Indian occupied village in East Pakistan in 1958. Fourth recipient of Nishan-e-Haider was Major Raja Aziz Bhatti, who embraced martyrdom during Indo-Pak War in 1965. Fifth recipient of Nishan-e-Haider was Pilot Officer Rashid Minhas, who embraced martyrdom in 1971. The next 4 recipients of Nishan-e-Haider were Major Muhammad Akram, Major Shabir Sharif, Swar Muhammad Hussain and Lance Naik Muhammad Mahfouz. All of them embraced martyrdom during Indo-Pak War 1971. The next 2 recipients of Nishan-e-Haider were Captain Colonel Sher Khan and Hawaldar Larik Jan. Both of them embraced martyrdom during Kargil War in 1999.